This method has been proven to provide results. It's not something that you have to watch videos or you have to try and follow people for you to get paid. Hey besties, in today's video we're going to be exploring how to make money on YouTube space without creating any form of content or having to watch any form of videos. If you're new on this space, my name is Christina and I create content on social media management, passive income and how to make money in 2023 and beyond. Now if this resonates with you, please comment on my channel, share my content and most importantly subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified anytime I drop videos like this. Let's wait a minute. Have you subscribed? Yes, I know you have. Let's get right into this video. So first and foremost, why is the conventional way of making money on YouTube impossible for some people? Now, not everyone likes being on camera like I am today, sharing this info, and not everyone likes putting out their life out there on the social media space. Now, if this is you, that is the more reason why you should stick around to the end of this video so you can learn this new unconventional way of making money on YouTube. If I tell you that the easiest way of making money on YouTube is by dropping a comment, would you believe me? Yes, you should, because that is the most easiest way of making money on YouTube without having to buy those expensive gadgets or trying to find your niche or trying to create content. Now, how do you make money from the comment section? What you need to do is first and foremost, you need to go on to Amazon and you need to go on to AliExpress and other affiliate marketing platforms where you can get affiliate links and join their affiliate programs. Now, once you've joined their affiliate programs, you'll be given an affiliate link that when people purchase through that link, you'll be paid a certain amount of money. Now, how do you go about dropping your affiliate links in the comment section? Now, I know a lot of you might say, isn't that spammy? No, it is not spammy. There is a simple technique that you can use to do this without appearing desperate or scammy to people. Sometimes when I'm on Instagram or other social media platform, I might see a top creator, and when I say a top creator, I mean someone with about 10k or 100k above subscribers and followers, and they might come onto their platform and they say, I need someone that can show me where I can purchase this or that. I've been online and I see someone say, I need this, please do you know any vendor that can sell this to me? Now, you as an affiliate marketer on Amazon and AliExpress, when you hear that from any creator or when they create content and they say, oh, I got this from Amazon but it's sold out, and you have other platforms that your affiliate link are from and you can purchase from there, the next thing for you to do is to go on to that comment section. You're going to see other people that are interested in purchasing that same thing because their favorite creator purchased it. So you can post it in the comment section that this is the exact place where you can get this product and you drop the affiliate link. Now, because these creators have influence and they influence their audience into purchasing the exact things that they've used, and when it gets sold out on the platform that the creator indicated that they purchased theirs, you can just post your own affiliate link and people are going to click and make purchases, and that means some dollar into your bank. The second way to make money through the comment section on YouTube space is when you are big. And when I mean big, I don't mean me with my 49 subscribers. I mean people who have had above 1,000 subscribers. Some companies might sponsor your comments. This is exactly what I mean. If I'm a brand and I sell toothpaste and a certain person or a certain creator makes like a content about toothpaste that keeps the teeth white, as a creator that a company has paid for me to make comments concerning them, I'm going to go onto that comment section and I'm going to like, yes, I've used this particular toothpaste and it was very, very good for my teeth. It helped whiten my teeth and other accolades I'm going to give to those brands. And once I've done this, people are going to see that, okay, this person says is giving a good review, even if I haven't used it. That is something that these creators do. These big creators, I'm getting there myself, so I don't need to like dispute anything, but it's the truth. So if once it's not harmful, I can say that yes, I've used this, you should too. And I get paid by those companies for making those positive reviews, for giving those positive remarks on their products. Now you're seeing that you can make money on YouTube from just the comment section. Now, if you're still having any issues with finding brands that you can join the affiliate program, let's go on to AliExpress so you can see exactly how you can join their affiliate program for free. So, besties, to get registered for your AliExpress affiliate marketing, just go onto Chrome and click AliExpress affiliate marketing. It will bring you to this website for AliExpress where you're going to see everything that concerns his affiliate marketing process. So you're going to get all the information about this. So I'll scroll up and click on start earning so I can start the registration process. The registration is in two phases: the basic information and the site information. You're going to have to fill out each of this information. Be very aware of whatever you're clicking in, and also be aware that these informations are very, very sensitive. So it's not something you should reveal just to anyone. Once I'm done filling in all this information, I'll click on submit and get ready to send my registration to AliExpress so that they can approve it. So after I must have sent the registration and submitted, they're going to send me days that my registration is under review. That in 3 days I'm going to get a mail. But surprisingly, I was able to get my mail by the next day, and it was a success, and my affiliate account is ready to. You are not meant to pay any money at all, and once you get this affiliate link, you can post them anywhere in the comment sections, and when people click and click and click, you are off to making yourself a few dollars in your bank account. Now, something that our favorite creators do is that when they create content, they try as much as possible to tell us where they purchase something. So I often watch Dima Ume's channel, and sometimes when she buys a pair of jeans, or when she buys a pair of top, or when she just buys something that she uses in her kitchen, she often like post, this is where I purchased it, this is where I got it.
Even hair extensions that I'm going to be using are from a brand called Curls Queen, and let's do a quick unboxing. So
But sometimes it is sold out. So as an affiliate marketer with these links, you don't have to be like someone that does spammy marketing. So once she has mentioned that, oh, I purchased these hangers, but they are currently sold out on Amazon. That is where you should look like, okay, you go onto AliExpress or any other e-commerce platform that you're an affiliate marketer from those platforms. You just copy out your link and post it and say, oh, I got mine from this and I use it. It was amazing, and you too can purchase from this link, and people will go onto that link and purchase from you. So this method has been proven to provide results. It's not something that you have to watch videos or you have to try and follow people for you to get paid. If you enjoyed this content and if you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button so you'll be notified anytime and every time I drop a new video. And until next time, bye my loves.